So in this video, we're going to be talking about NEO. Is NEO stock heading to $10? From a fundamental standpoint, from a technical standpoint, there's a possibility that NEO could go to $10. From a fundamental point of view, like if you take the company's balance sheet and you just take how much money the company makes and lose, no. I would say absolutely not. I would say that NEO would go down further, but from a technical, yes. So why? Because huge increase in volume, big sign. So, and then on top of that, there's a gap fill between $10 and $7. So I think it's going to go up. I could be wrong, and it could fall. I did buy some stock just to gamble that it's going to go to $10. It may not. It may fall back down to $2.70 or $2.40 or even $3.77. A stock is worth as much as an investor is willing to invest. So if NEO stock falls, my assumption is there's something fundamentally wrong with the whole electric trade right now. Because if you look at companies like Tesla and you look at companies like Nikola Motors, they are both in bubble territory. So it kind of makes sense that NEO is in bubble territory too, simply because they are in the electric area, like field. Elon Musk created a bubble, and NEO is benefiting from it. Just like back in the day when Canopy was in a bubble, and Aurora, Afria, Hexo, all the other MJ companies were benefiting from the bubble. NEO is in a bubble. Is it as big as a bubble as Nikola or Tesla? I wouldn't say so. I say Tesla and Nikola Motors is in a bigger bubble than NEO. That's why I think NEO is heading to $10, maybe even higher. It all depends on big money. It all depends on if Tesla and Nikola Motors both crash really hard. Like if Tesla goes back to $500 or $250, I 90% guarantee you that I think NEO will probably go back down to $2.40 or even lower. So it all depends on Tesla and Nikola. Tesla crashes back to $500, I say NEO can go back to $4. If Tesla goes down lower, NEO will go down lower. And yes, I did take a position in NEO, and if anybody wants to know my position, I always ask for something in return. I don't like to give things out for free. So if you guys give me 100 thumbs up for this video, I promise you I will release my position unless I sold it already. If I sold it already, I'll tell you guys I sold it and I won't release it. But as of now, I have a position in NEO, and if you want to see it, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to this channel, I would appreciate a subscribe. I want to one day get my 100,000 subscribers. I don't really care if nobody watches my videos. All I care is about the 100,000 subscribers, because that's what I want to hold one day. Canopy. So some, let's say, YouTuber was pissed off that, maybe I made the video because I was so bearish on Canopy that it made him pissed off. He's thinking that, oh, everyone's gonna sell because of my video. I don't know. I really think that people, you're either a trader and you might sell, or you're a long-term investor and you're hoping Canopy growth goes all the way back to its 52-week high, and you don't want to sell at a loss. That's fine. At the end of the day, I don't control the markets. Rich people control the markets. So if rich people wanted to pump Canopy stock back tomorrow at $17.50, I gotta accept it, because that's the way the market works. I can't just be bearish. I have to keep an open-minded and realize that there is always two possibilities. Even if I'm bearish, it doesn't matter. There's short sellers are bearish all the time, and short sellers are wrong. I could be wrong. Canopy could go all the way back to its 52-week. Go back to $21.72. I have no idea. I don't think that's gonna be I don't think that's gonna be a possibility unless we have some major event like an earnings report. But besides that, I don't think Canopy is going to head back to 21.72 in the long term or in the short term until next earnings. So for the next 2 months, I think that Canopy can go down lower. But short term, I don't know. Maybe Canopy will pump back to $17, $18. All I can do is I'm bearish. So it goes back to 17, it goes back to 18, it goes back to 20. I'll just buy put options because I'm betting against it. I think that Canopy is overvalued and I'm betting against it. I don't have to bet against Canopy. I'm just bearish against Canopy. So if Canopy goes up, I'm adding on to my short position because I believe that eventually it will crash. Like I said, I could totally be wrong. Canopy may not even do that. It might just go back, or it just might float sideways until earnings report, and then it'll either pop back to 21.72, or it'll sink lower, or it'll just do nothing. I don't know what the stock is really gonna do. From a charting perspective, it looks like it's heading down. What? I don't know. Nothing is for sure. The stock can easily, Canopy can come out with some news. An analyst can come out and upgrade Canopy, and Canopy stock's gonna head up higher. Or an analyst can come out and downgrade Canopy. Analysts are the ones that move stocks, not me. Analysts. So if you want to blame anybody, analysts should be illegal. They should know, but nobody should be able to say the price target is going to $200 or down $150. No one should be allowed to, but analysts exist. So, and they can manipulate a stock price up or down. Does Tesla deserve to be a $500 company? Absolutely not. So, yeah. So yeah. Anyways, my main reason why I bought Nikola is because Tesla and Nikola are both in bubbles. Nikola is worth $23 billion. Tesla is worth $183 billion. NIO being worth $10 billion doesn't sound like something that is impossible. I think it's totally possible. The stock is uptrending right now. It might have some pullbacks, which only create an opportunity, at least in my opinion, unless the rug gets pulled and it drops all the way back down to like $3. I think that's a possibility. Anything's possible in the stock market. Don't ever forget this one important rule. Anything can happen in the market. NIO can go to $10 or NIO can go back down to $3. It's the gamble you are taking holding onto the stock, in my opinion. So Hertz, it went all the way to 50 cents and popped back to $4. You would have made so much money if you bought it in and gambled that Hertz is going back up. You would have made a few $100%, which is very hard to do. Something that's very hard to do in the stock market. GameStop. A lot of people are bearish on GameStop. Do I move GameStop? No, I can bash on GameStop all I want, and the stock will either, it could do the exact opposite of what I want. I just bashed on it. I said that, beware, warning, GameStop could crash all the way down to $2. I made a video on it, and today GameStop went up 12 cents. I can make a positive video, and then the stock can do the exact opposite. I don't know, short term, all I can do is rely on charts. And right now, the chart is telling me that GameStop is bullish. It could reverse and go back down? Absolutely. I don't control the market, and the volume is decent right now, but it could be a lot better. That's the one thing I am complaining on. Aurora, all of a sudden pop, and then suddenly now after hours down 16 cents. If I look at Aurora's chart, I would have to say I'm more bearish than bullish because it's downtrending. But we'll see what happens. I mean, it could just, they could come up with a CEO news and it could pop back to $17, $18, total possibility. Will they do it? I think they're gonna plan that CEO news sometime later in the year. But maybe they won't. Maybe they're gonna save it for 2021. Who knows at the end of the day. Afria is up 2 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Kronos Group is down 3 cents after hours. Hexo is trading sideways. I honestly think Hexo right now serves a good return on investment. If you don't think the company's gonna do a reverse split, I mean, it just passed the dollars, so it should be good for like a while, for like maybe another month or so. So because it broke that dollar, now it's back down. So next earnings report, if they continue to do well, it could pop back out of $1 again. But short term, I don't know what it's gonna do. We could see Hexo go all the way down to 49 cents. I honestly think that just creates an opportunity. Unless you're worried about a delist, then completely stay away from it. I do have a small position with Hexo, and if it keeps going down, I'm going to add to it. Tilray is down 1 cent. Not too much to say about that. American Airlines is down 27 cents. Neo is down 3 cents. Zoom is neutral. The SPY is up 4 cents. 29 cents. Ianthus is neutral, trading sideways. Kira is down 5 cents. Oh no, it's up 6 cents. Planet 13 is just trading sideways. True Eve's trading sideways. Man probably trading sideways. Harvest Health probably trading sideways. Vero Health trading sideways. Oh no, it's actually going down. Bitcoin is not doing too much. I think this video is long enough. I don't need to go through all of these stocks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.